Hi everybody, Adam Gudger with Winnebago of Indiana here at Funtown's PDI Center. Funtown RV, best prices, best service, best selection in the industry. And excited to show this 22 MLS Thrive RV. It's my favorite trailer that we build in our lineup. As we walk around to the front to get started here, tons to talk about, but obviously the front window is especially important. This is an open concept floor plan, so when you get inside, you understand why this big window means so much with this particular layout. Also, we've incorporated some really cool features with the Thrive, like the integrated lighting that you can turn on and off with the flip of a switch. Also, the Flying W is very prevalent on all the trailers today, and we've actually even incorporated a reflective Flying W graphic, so it will catch the light as you're driving down the road. Really an awesome trailer. Coming around to the side, as you can see, this is a fully laminated trailer. One of the things that we do a little bit differently with our lamination is that we actually CNC route all of the areas for the baggage doors and the windows and everything. And also all of the block foam insulation is laser cut, so there's no voids in the sides with this aluminum. It's a 5-sided aluminum travel trailer. Also, there's Azdel that's married to the exterior fiberglass, so a very thick, well-insulated unit. Looking in this passage, massive storage right here. Also, you'll notice there's even heat that goes into this area. So not only do we heat the storage passageway, but also the full underbelly is also heated and enclosed. So when you get into those more inclement situations, you have a very well-insulated trailer. We do put a 200-watt solar panel standard on the roof. Standard features is something that you'll get to know with all the Winnebago products. Speaking of standard equipment, also power stab jacks are available on every Thrive. So really easy to get set up when you get into the campground. And we take a step back, you can also look and see that there's a really beautiful Valerium awning. Also has that nice integrated light bar, composite steps. So nice large full landing step with the holes so water and dirt can get through there, and you're not going to, when you're picking up this nice light composite step, it's easy to do that without really straining yourself. Nice big adjustable entry bar as well. And then take a look at the skirt metal. So with the skirt metal, there's not any fasteners. We do a real automotive design, so it all is incorporated in, but you don't have extra screws and things that really kind of take away from that automotive look. And then those nice custom fenders that we've designed that look a lot like the Cybertrucks. We actually modeled it after that. It's an acrylic as well, so it's easy to buff out. The skirt metal, another nice thing with the height of it, we're able to incorporate our JBL speakers into those as well. So you have exterior JBL speakers that work off of Bluetooth and also on the inside of the unit, so you can play your favorite music without any trouble there. Now this unit, and you're gonna be shocked when you see how much room we have inside, this unit only measures 26 feet 11 inches from the front pin to the rear bumper. Although it is a shorter trailer that only weighs about 6,000 pounds, it's huge inside. And when you come back here, obviously the bumper's nice. A lot of these trailers don't have the bumpers. It's nice just from the fact that, hey, you have a little bit of protection with the unit itself, but it's also a great place to put your sewer hose. And then looking underneath, every single Thrive is gonna have an accessory hitch receiver on the back. That hitch receiver will handle 350 pounds. So if you like to bring your e-bikes with you or whatever, it'll handle some real weight, which is really a great thing. It's a 30 amp trailer, and you can see it's plugged in here in the back. Every single Thrive has a ladder on it, so really nice and strong. Again, it's a laminated rear wall, laminated front wall, and then you also have your laminated end walls for the slide outs as well. That's something that we've done, which a lot of the other companies in the business don't do. The water heater is a tankless GE hot water heater. It's 60,000 BTU, so we have that feature. I want to show you how deep this slide is. So this slide is over 38 inches deep. That's a huge point because this particular floor plan is used in the industry a lot. Most companies are putting rack slides on. That's where you see the bars on the sides of the slides. If you look underneath this one, this actually has through frame rack and pinion Norco mechanisms. So you notice there's even a slight camber to those mechanisms. That actually makes that slide get in there really tight and well sealed. These rams are actually mounted to the frame and made by Norco, just like the chassis is. So it's a very robust system, allows for a lot more depth, a lot more length, and then you have the peace of mind to know it's going to work every time. Another nice thing about this particular slide is it actually can be manually cranked in, but it's the most reliable slide system on the market and something that we do that very few others do in the market. Again, walking in, it's really hard to believe that this unit is only 26 feet 11 inches long, and it starts with this slide. So if you notice, the slide goes all the way to the front just before it gets to the bed and goes all the way to the rear right before you get to the kitchen. So it's like a full wall slide in the way it's designed. And then also, because it is a through fry mechanism, you'll notice it's a flush floor. So when you're getting up against the kitchen, when you're sitting down at your standard theater seats here, you know, you can put your feet squarely on the ground. These theater seats are also pretty spectacular. So this is part of the Renaissance collection. Apex Custom Furniture out of Knoxville, Tennessee, domestically made, designed this furniture for us specifically. Most of the industry, if not all, outside of Winnebago, buys their furniture from China. All of our stuff comes from Knoxville. They have a beautiful hide-a-bed, they have a trifold sofa, and then these wonderful theater seats as well. They're super comfortable and easy to relax. And you can watch TV. We got a 40-inch TV up there, which again is a larger one than you'll normally see when looking at and compared to other trailers. And then just take a look at the ground too. So no heat actually grates in the floor. So we put them underneath the dinette. You have it underneath the bed base, down here near the bathroom. So you have this beautiful furnace that's gonna heat the coach, but you're not worrying about getting dirt or stubbing your toe. It's all laid out really perfectly. Another really nice highlight to this floor plan outside of the deeper, longer slides is this huge, what we like to refer to as mega dinette. So most of the dinettes are much narrower. This one's 10 1/4 inches wider, and so it serves a couple purposes. Number one, when you're sitting down and dining, you actually have the ability to have, you know, place settings in between. So plenty of room if you want to play games. But then also this particular dinette breaks down into a bed. And so all you do is you just remove these cushions, push it down. But what's great is, because this is 10 1/4 inches longer because of the width, you can actually sleep full-grown adults on this dinette without having to go to a sofa, although we do offer a trifold sofa option. With your TVs, you don't have those straps. This actually releases just with the flip of a switch, and then you can bring this out, and then when you want to lock it in place, it automatically does that. Lots of extra storage, soft close on the doors. So there's a lot of unique features that you'll find in every single floor plan, but one thing that we really love is the fact that you always are going to have a silverware drawer in here with a removable tray. You have either trash and recycling, but every single Thrive floor plan, you're gonna have both of these features available in here. Look at all this countertop space. So again, because we are really maximizing this slide, when you compare this particular floor plan with the competition, it's really just a stovetop. There's no extra countertop space, but because of the way we've set it up, it's deep, it's wide, and then you even have countertop space over near the stove. And then in the back of the unit with these beautiful roller shades, but a huge window, and then again, lots more countertop space. We put a pocket door here. Why is that important, Adam? Well, I'll tell you, there's gonna be times when you're driving down the road and you don't have a place where you can extend the slide. You can actually get into this bathroom because we put a pocket door. Many of the other companies do those swinging passage doors, and so the slide blocks it from getting in, but I can get in it with or without the slide out. A nice big 30 by 36 shower, so lots of room in here. These have fiberglass countertops that are lighter weight. You can put a boiling pot of water on them. They're scratch resistant, easy to buff out, molded sinks. It really is just an unbelievable setup. And then another really great feature about the Thrive, we actually use the full 80-inch queen beds. In addition to doing 80 inches long, they're also actually wider. So this is actually 66 inches wide. So it's what's called an Olympic queen bed. So it gives you more room. And then, you know, on either side, you also have hanging space. You have drawers. You have the ability to plug in a CPAP. You know, you can pull it right up to the beach, wherever you're gonna be. Awesome look there. You got reading lights here that actually have the ability to be adjusted, where you can do low light settings, as well as the brighter setting. And then even one more last little thing, but again here, motion light, and then you have hanging with the versatility that you can do extra storage, and then we even have pull-out drawers underneath as well. Tons of room, lightweight, huge amount of space inside. Man, come on and see one of these 22 MLSs at one of the Funtown RV locations, or come check it out at funtownrv.com. Thanks. Again, walking in, it's really hard to believe that this unit is only 26 feet 11 inches long, and it starts with this slide. So if you notice, the